Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how we can add a text in AutoCAD. I have a very simple drawing here for reference. So let's start. Place that text here. There is two ways to place the text here. First, you can in the command prompt type empty text. You select where you want put. Let's say I want to put here. And here the options is coming Roman, which one standard. Let's say I want this one. And I want a height 200 is too big. I give name here should be I will find 5. Let this one and type here 5 to reduce the size. Click on change properties. And you can move here. When you click on here, type change properties and you can change the color. Say I want this one a yellow. It's changed to yellow. And now here we have this box here. You can type here. We typed previously MTEXT. You can select from here also. Change properties and height is 200. You can change the color as per your own requirement. You can add single text also here. Asking height and so now we have two options. One is multi-text and one is a single text. Now let's say we will do edit. Type ed. You can add this one. Same edit here. You can change multi-time. Enter. But not in single text. You cannot do any here. You cannot come down. So this is a single and this is a multiple. That's why it's M text. Now if you created one, then see your copy plan view, whatever you want to type here, and change this one to same way you can copy, and this is the leader dimension here. In the helpful leader, you can also change, write whatever you want. In this way, you can add multiple text or single text in the drawing. This is for multi-text, and this is for single line text. After that, you can copy one and place anywhere in the drawing. Thanks for watching.